Hello everybody, this is Reed Newbert. Thought it'd be fun to put together a quick video just demonstrating how fun it is to ride your bike around with your drone controller already mounted onto your handlebars. So this is the RC2 drone controller mounted on my handlebars using the ColMount mounting platform that you can find on Amazon.com. You can see I just pull up, power that thing on, pull the drone out of a little bag that I've got hanging from my handlebars there. So I've got the drone handy. I unfold the props, all four of those, power on the drone, make sure that the drone and the drone controller are properly connected, and then launch the drone. Here it goes. Pull that thing behind me, set active track, draw a little box around me, and then we're off and running. So I designed the ColMount mounting platform so that it would spread the weight and the stress of the drone controller sitting on the handlebars across 4 points of strength on the back and the base of the controller. It uses the 2 lanyard nuts that are recessed and much larger and more capable than the 2 tiny nuts on the back that most drone mount options use. And it also uses the 2 joystick storage compartments to complete the 4 anchor point system. This all results in an extremely durable and safe method to take your drone controller with you and be ready to launch at any moment. So now I pull in, stop, bring the drone forward, right next to me, then I drop the drone down as far as it'll come, and I reach up my hand, surprise the drone with a little quick grab underneath, and turn it off that way. And I thank you for watching.